Hi, I'm Marna, and I have a problem. Well, I have several problems, but this is the one we're going to address today. My dolls need shoes. I buy them, and most of my dolls I buy used, and they come without shoes. Now, some shoes will fit some dolls, but others won't, and well, if you collect dolls, and especially vintage or antique dolls, you know exactly what I'm saying. I got on eBay, I found this great deal. These shoes will fit the American girls, some of the chatties, the smaller chatties. Chatty Baby can wear some of the American Girl shoes. Tiny Chatty Babies can wear some. And these were inexpensive. I paid $10 and something, and I went back and I bought more. Aren't these cute? They're just little glitter shoes. You could add a bow or a button or just leave them as is. They come in all different colors and they're just very cute. It's kind of funny because I talked about these shoes before. This is the second time I've ordered these. I really like them. They're cute, they're inexpensive, and you get more than one pair. I know some of the shoes cost more than what I pay for my own, and I just don't buy like that. I think they're cute, I think they're fun, and I think it's hilarious that on two different American Girl box opening days, the shoes came too. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and tell me in the comments, do you have a problem with doll shoes at your house? Thanks for watching.